Do you remember? Do you remember the day you gazed at me? My life took a pause, only those little two eyes I could see. No wonder why the whole world had stopped by me. I walked a few steps towards you, knowing unknowingly. Those eyes were so deep. They wanted to say something that day, but they could not speak. Do you remember the day when we were in the kitchen? I was busy searching something while you were taking a glance at me. Your heartbeats were as fast as they could be. Hold there. The moment we looked at each other, something happened. There was something very magical. Like the birds caged in the heart just flew, and the air started blowing around like it never blew. I looked here and there because I could not really hold my eyes on you. Such moments in my life were really very new. The very next second, I forgot why and where was I and what was I going through. I remember being lost, giving the life's most irrelevant expressions to you. You smiled at me and said, "What? What are you searching for while I am looking at you?" Nodding my head slowly up and down, right and left. What to say, I had no clue. I just could see that love in your eyes. You started laughing at me then. Seeing those feelings were really so true. Do you remember our first date? The first time when I saw you on my gate? I wanted to just hold you in my arms and I couldn't just wait. You were looking as stunning as possible that day, like you took out some time to get ready and prepared yourself to meet me on your way. The way we sat and spoke for a while, I made a decision to walk with you mile over mile. I never thought in my dream that someday all this will come true, and the walls of silence between us will suddenly become few. I wanted to look into your eyes, but my fear was reaching the sky. I must have asked myself a million times, could this just be a lie? You gave your hand in my hand and said, "Trust me." Nobody can make us fall apart. The way you touched me, nobody did. My whole life went through. I know the moment we shared together were very few. I know you miss me, and believe me, I miss you too. But I don't know why these days those birds in the heart, they are trapped again with me. I don't have much to say. I know we'll be soon falling apart. I'll never cross your way. Wanted to pen down these emotions hidden inside me. This might reach you or might not. Sometimes while I write my poems, I wonder, can this poem of love be written again? Like the day you met me and came in front of me. Can I gaze you like you gazed at me? Do you remember?